Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rev Marie. My kitty just jumped down. I guess he doesn't like the sound of the singing bowl. Hope everyone's having a great day. I have an angel number for you. It is, where should we go? Where should we go? Maybe here. 17. The quality of work you can produce when you're going at it alone is almost unbelievable. You are as independent as you are ambitious, capable of performing every step of the way with efficiency, focus, and skill. I am independent. Beautiful. Thank you, Spirit, for this message. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Have a blessed day. See you soon. Bye for now.